morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today our subject, Business Regulatory Framework. In the topic, Classification of Agent. Classification of agent on the basis of extent of authority classified into three categories: general agent, special agent, universal agent. On the basis of nature of work, agents classified into five categories like broker, factor, actioner, deal credit agent, and banker agent. General agent, one who has authority to do all act connected with a particular trade, business, or employment. For example, the manager of a company has an implied authority to bind the principal by doing anything necessary for carrying on the company. He is known as general agent. Special agent. Special agent is a person is one who is appointed to perform a special act or represent his principal in some particular transaction. He has limited authority. He has no authority to bind the principal in respect of any other act than that for which he is employed. Universal agent, one who has authority to do all act which the principal can lawfully do and delegate. He has an unlimited authority to bind the principal. He is known as universal agent. Next one, on the basis of nature of work. First one, broker. A broker is an agent who is employed to buy or sell goods on behalf of another. He is employed to bring about a contractual relation between the principal and the third parties. He is known as broker. And then factor. He is a person, one who is entrusted with the possession of goods for the purchase of sale. He has also the power to sell goods on credit and also to receive the price from the buyer. He has a general lien on the goods for a general balance of accounts. Actioner. An actioner is an agent appointed by a seller to sell his goods by public action for a reward, generally in the form of commission. He is primarily the agent of the seller, but after the sale he has taken place, he becomes the agent of the purchaser also. Next one, banker agent. He acts as an agent of the customer when he collect, check, draft bills, buys or sell securities on behalf of his customer. He has general lien in the respect of the general balance of accounts. Deal credit agent. Deal credit agent is one who is in consideration of an extra commission, guarantees his principal that the persons with whom he enters into contract on behalf of the principal shall perform their obligation. He is known as deal credit agent. So students, I hope you understand all the classification of agents. Thank you.